Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning how to download Likee videos on your mobile device. First of all, open up the Likee application on your Android or your iPhone and make sure that you're logged in. Now, from the home page, go to the video you want to download and make sure it's either your own or from a creator who has allowed the downloads. Once you find the video, tap on the little arrow button at the bottom right corner, and then from the bottom menu, click on Save. The video will then be saved directly to your phone's gallery or your camera roll. If the download isn't available, it means the video has restricted downloads. In that case, you can request permission from the creator or use the Save to Favorite option inside Likee to bookmark it for later viewing. This is a safe alternative that respects policies. And that's how you can easily download Likee videos that are publicly allowed or your own creations. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.